First, people didn't know this was a chemical process. It was an accident. Now this is a chemical process, and there are a lot of interesting things that we are even still discovering.
Yeah.
It's also different after where the shark has been, in what depth, in what temperature he was caught. It's different after what chemicals are high or low in him. So in these boxes, the meat loses around 30%. So it loses a lot of weight here. And then in the drying process, it loses like 50–70%. So total use of meat is around 8%.
What happens to the ammonia when it drains? I mean, is it okay to be stuck? I mean, you've got I've got boots on and you've got little sandals with some stuff. Yeah.
The ammonia the liquid here that's fine. We could drink it. I won't though.
I'm pretty sure that's a cure for something.
You want some maybe? No.
No.
One shark will give from 30 to 40 pieces of fillet. The meat ferments for 6 to 9 weeks in the wooden boxes, then is hung outside for 6 months to fully dry out.
To know if it's ready, we check the texture. And these are all like good. They are, the texture is fine. We don't want it too hard and not too mushy. And then we have this one here. This one is not stiff enough. So he needs more time, but these here are ready. Here you see the skin. Use it.
Oh wow, it's like a. You know when these people have really terrible like 1970s walls where they
I know what you mean. I know what you mean.
Yeah, it's like sandpaper. But yeah, this is. I mean,
actually,
it's really rough.
This was used for in Iceland. This was used for sandpaper, and these points. If you look closely, you see the points in the skin.
Yeah.
They grow in one direction. Do you see that?
Yeah.
And so these points they grow down with his body. So when he swims, he gets this sort of thin layer of air around him. It's always air around him. So it's easier for him to swim and to get faster, and it also works like gives him a little bit more insulation in a cold ocean.
It's like the meatiest fish I've ever seen. Yeah.
Here we have a piece of the fillet.